I'm pretty comfortable in the daytime, but at nighttime, when you can't see anything, the capability of this system is huge. I mean, I can't even explain how important it is to me that I have this now. It makes my stress level so much lower now that I have all this in an aircraft. Something that even a little Garmin, the 530, just wasn't going to give me. Even with an autopilot setup, this system, it gives me the essay that us helicopter pilots generally don't get. This is just so user friendly. If you talk to anybody that flies a 407 or the G1000 system, this is probably one of the most user friendly systems that doesn't take much to figure it out. You can do it while you're flying and learn it. And, the hardest thing is, and that's not really hard, I should say, but this is something that's new. I know a lot of folks that have been flying Garmin or been flying Bells. That I try to explain this to them. I go, this right here, this PSI system that came out with the GX, it's changed the way, and I say us old military guys grew up had to learn all the limitations. You had to know the numbers. Well, this one kind of takes that away, and it puts it in perspective of, hey, if it's green, it's good. If it's yellow, it's good for a little bit, and if it's red, it's not good. You need to do something about that. So if you fly around and you're all green like this, you're good. You just need to know that right now that my torque is my highest limitation at 70%, and I'm in the green, so I'm good. My MGT temperature is 635. I'm in the green. My MG is good. All my temperatures of my engine and my transmission are all good, temperatures and pressures. If they go down low, and they change colors on me, then I got to deal with it appropriately.